Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm here with Usama. Welcome back to Bits. Today we're talking about a big one, AI. Everybody wants it, but there are some major gotchas if you don't plan ahead. Usama, when a company starts rolling out AI, what's one mistake you see over and over?
Hello, Sam. Hello, everyone. For me, the biggest mistake I see is treating AI like a snap-on tool instead of a strategic architectural change. So if you're deploying AI as if it's a like-for-like replacement, you're not going to really get much out of it.
Right, so instead of just dropping AI on top of what you already have, you need to step back and look at the whole system. Let's talk about that system part. How important is integration with existing tools, and what happens if you skip that step?
Well, I'm not sure it'll work. I'm not sure the project will work. Integration is a big deal. You have your workflows as a business, you have your systems, your ERP, your CRM, your ticketing system, and AI is going to be part of that. It's going to be part of this holistic ecosystem that you have. And if you don't do the integration, it's going to be really hard to utilize it to its maximum potential. One thing to consider though here is cost. If you have a large amount of data, terabytes of data, please consider that before you start the project because that's going to cost you. As you roll out AI, the amount of data that you ingest and train the model on, the amount of data that you integrate with is going to matter. So calculate the cost instead of finding out later on that it's very expensive.
Okay, so even if the AI works and the data's in place, what's the security angle here? What's one thing people miss that could seriously backfire?
I believe we must wrap AI projects within a security and compliance envelope because these accounts, these machine accounts, have access potentially to sensitive data. And therefore, we need to protect the organizational data from leakage and from hacking. And you have to consider that throughout the process. You can't just slap it on at the end of the project. You must consider security and compliance throughout your project. What systems it's collecting data from, what systems it has access to, and what does that mean from a security and compliance perspective.
So AI isn't just an add-on, it's a complete rebuild. Thanks, Usama, and thanks to those watching. We'll see you next time on Bits.